Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use Omeka. Omeka is a web publishing platform that allows anyone with an account to create or collaborate on a website to display collections and build digital collections of exhibits. Here is the Atkins Library Comic Online exhibit. Today we will learn how to add a site to Omeka, customize your site's appearance, add a collection, add metadata, add an item, add a file, and make your content live. Omeka has 5 different plans you can choose from. The basic plan is free and provides plenty of usability, 500 megabytes of storage, and the use of Google Analytics. That is what we will be using today. Before you build your website, it is best to plan out your content. Cohen and Rosenzweig's Digital History, A Guide to Gathering, Preserving, and Presenting the Past on the Web, is helpful for starting out, as is looking at what others have created. Once you have planned your content, let's begin building our website collection. Go to My Account and click the Add a Site box. Choose your subdomain name. This will be the beginning of your URL. For example, Remington Family. Next, you will choose your site title. For example, Remington Family Archive. I will add my site description at a later time. Now click Add your new site. You are now back at your dashboard screen and will want to click Manage Site. From here, we can begin to customize our digital archives design. Click Appearance. With the free version of Omeka, you have a limited amount of themes to choose from. Today, I'm going to use the Minimalist theme. From the Configure Themes screen, you can add your logo, add text to your page's footer, display your copyright information, and many other things that Omeka will lead you through. Click the Save Changes button when you are through. You may go to the Navigation menu and the Settings menu in order to make more changes to the general display of your page. The instructions included on these pages will walk you through what to do. Now we can add collections by clicking the Collections button on the left side of the menu. From here, we can add our first collection. In this case, Remington Family Photos. In the subject box, you will add your headings, add a description, and continue adding relevant information down the page until you are satisfied. If any of your fields have links that you wish to display as clickable, click the Use HTML button. At this point, you can choose to make the collection public or featured. For now, we are keeping the collection private. Click Add Collection. Now you can begin entering items. Click the Items button on the left of the screen. Click the Add Items button. This screen is much like the Collection button, so you will enter the information in the fields much the same way. When you have finished the main entry fields, go to the right-hand box and select the drop-down Collection menu and add your item to your desired collection. Next, go to the Item Type Metadata tab. Choose your item type from the list below. Once you've done that, you will get more options for metadata to enter, depending on what you previously chose. Then you will click the Files tab and choose File to upload the file you wish to add to your collection. At this point, we will leave tags out as it clutters your main digital online data field. Finally, we will add items. Again, you can choose to click Public or Featured. from the screen to make your item public or featured within your collection. To view your digital archive as the public would, just click your site name in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Let's review. Omeka.net is a web publishing platform for archives, libraries, and others wishing to share their collections online. There are many plan options, one of which is free. You should begin by planning your collection, then customizing your theme, adding a collection, adding content, and finally, publishing your content. That is how you build an online digital archive with Omeka.net.